We are here at Lokal Active. Okay, they made a very nice event. They invited different people from different boxes, even a boom box with Coach Dino. Okay, so they are gonna do Open CrossFit 23.3 as the last workout for the Open this year, and it's fun. I like how they did it. They put lights, they set up everything. They have judges, so it will be a very nice event and nice event to watch. Yep. Boy workout. Ito tatawid ng 155. Ay, 185 to. 185. 225. 225.
Yayabang.
Nandito! Alright, so kamusta yung boombox? Athletes? Ready na coach. Ready na kabahan. Ito talaga main event. Hello everyone. Walang fun. Walang fun. Ito talaga, wala. May balak na talaga eh. May balak yan talaga eh. Ready na. I'm happy for my athletes. So, whatever happens, as long as they're enjoying, I'm enjoying already. Si Coach Chris. Hello. Ginawa mo na? Kamusta?
Redo ako bukas.
Redo today?
Bukas.
Okay. Hello.
It is 5 scaled wall walks, 50 single unders, 15 snatches, dumbbells, boot camp division. Thing that we're gonna look for here, knock out.
They are very nervous right now. And si Coach is very relaxed. Wala siyang magagawa. It's nice. They're nervous. Ako, am I nervous? No. I'm hungry. I want food. Kulang ako sa kape.
Siguro my favorite would be the last one because it's the one that I was able to do it with the community. The first one and the second one I actually did it alone, not alone naman, but with a smaller group of people. So iba naman yung open high natin to end the season. I actually didn't, I still train daily, but hindi siya with the mindset of being able to do well or aiming for a higher rank sa leaderboard. To be honest, medyo nabudo lang ako to join the Open last minute. Sobrang last minute. As in, hindi pa ako nakasubmit ng score. Tapos kailangan ko pa i-email yung support na hindi upload yung video on time yun. But I'm glad na nabudol ako. So, next year ulit.
Next year. I think this year naman kasi I saw that the fitness industry is like going all out as well. So parang it's the time din na we invite some CrossFit boxes or fitness boxes to join us. Parang it's a one community thing. Especially it's the CrossFit Open na we are all doing like every single year. So it's a fun thing to we decided to invite Boombox, Avant-Garde, O1 to join us and have fun this type of workout. So I hope it's gonna be a yearly thing, and we would like to thank everyone who joined us, especially coaches, Coach Dino, Coach Ian, salamat sa Boombox for
Thank you. Okay guys, so we're done with 23.3. Dino reached the second round.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, it's good. And I died. And you died. Insights for this, I think you really need your conditioning and your barbell. Actually, you need everything. You need your gymnastics, your barbell, and conditioning. Without it, you won't reach the second round. No matter how heavy you lift, if you're fatigued, you cannot lift that barbell. Yeah, I can't lift it. So anyway, I had fun with this workout. So shout out to Lokal Active. They really did a good job on doing this event for the community. For the community here in the Philippines. Alright, so on to the next one. What's our next one? Duathlon. Run, bike, and run at Clark.
Fittest
Fittest Masters.